Welcome to our section, How to Factor Trinomials. In this video, we're going to learn how to factor something that looks like this. So basically, when we have a trinomial, this is just a simple one because the first term actually has an invisible one. Now, in another videos, we're going to learn how to do the trinomials that are a little bit more complicated, but today we're going to learn the basics. So let's do it. Anytime you have a trinomial, you're going to have two numbers, the one in the middle and this baby here. The one that does not have the x is basically the constant. So look how easy this is going to be. When I have a trinomial, I need to find two numbers that when I multiply them give me 30, and when I add or subtract them give me 11. Which numbers are that? Let's see. I go ahead and I find the factors of 30. What are the factors of 30? Basically the numbers that make the number 30, like 3 times 10, 15 times 2, and so on. And bingo, I see that 6 times 5 is equals to 30. Moreover, 6 plus 5 is equals to 11. That's it. I found two numbers that when I multiply them give me 30, and when I add them or subtract them give me 11. Those numbers are 6 and 5. Since they are both positive, my answer is just going to be plus 6 and plus 5. You can always test it, and you do 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 plus 5 equals 11, and your answer is correct. Let's do another one. Let's say that we have something like this. Again, remember, I need two numbers. When I multiply them, give me 40. When I add or subtract, give me 13. Let's see if you can tell me the factors of 40. Remember, 4 times 10, 20 times 2, but I'm going to help you. What about 8 times 5? Awesome. Look at this. 8 times 5 is 40. Then you're going to tell me, but this guy is negative. Well, remember, negative 8 minus 5 is equals negative 13. Bingo, we found the numbers. Let's do it. Negative 8 times negative 5 is positive 40. Negative 8 minus 5 is negative 13. Now, you can always cheat by actually foiling, and you will actually get this guy after you foil. This is basically what factoring is, the reverse of foiling. Everyone hates factoring, and I don't blame you. It's a pain in the neck, but once you get the hang of it, it's fun. Well, not that much fun, but anyhow, let's continue. So let's do another one. Remember, let's see if you can try to do this one by yourself. Two numbers, when I multiply, then give me negative 30. When I add, then give me 7. Do not worry about the signs at the beginning. Just worry about finding the factors, because once you have the factors, it's just really easy. Let's see. Factors of 30, and I'm going to give you a hint. 10 times 3. Awesome. 10 times 3 is 30, and also 10 minus 3 is equals to 7. So remember, two numbers when I multiply give me negative 30. When I add them or subtract, give me 7. Now I can just go ahead and add them. And look at this. Plus 10 minus 3. Let's test it. 10 times negative 3 is negative 30. 10 minus 3 is positive 7. That's it. Let's do another one. Now be very careful. Look here, I have two negatives. Again, two numbers when I multiply give me negative 30, and when I add them or subtract them give me negative 7. Well, we had them before, but now instead of being positive 10, I'm going to do negative plus 3. See how you can even have the same numbers, but the signs can be changed? So just be very careful. Just remember, you need a negative when you multiply them and a negative when you add them or subtract. So you basically are just going to do this. So just think logically. You put the answer and then test it again. Negative 10 times 3 is negative 30. Negative 10 plus 3 is negative 7. All right, so let's go ahead and practice. And let's see. Can you do this one? Two numbers that when you multiply them give you 20. When you add them or subtract, negative 9. What are the factors of 20? There we go. Let's do it. Negative 5 times negative 4 is positive 20. Negative 5 minus 4 is negative 9. Let's do another one. Two numbers when I multiply them give me negative 24, and add or subtract 5. Let's see, what are the factors of 24? Da, 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 da. Bingo. A times 3 is negative 24, and A minus 3 is positive 5. Let's do the last one. Two numbers when I multiply give me negative 18, and when I add or subtract negative 3. Let's see if you remember. Da, 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 da. Bingo. Negative 6 times 3 is negative 18. Negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3. Whew, we finished. Guys, you did an amazing job. I know trinomials, again, can be a pain, but I promise you, knowing your multiplication tables and just working and practicing will do it. Don't forget to watch our other videos.